Today, we're comparing two heavyweight contenders in the Middle European winter tire segment, the Michelin Alpin 6 and the all-new Bridgestone Blizzak 6. The Alpin 6 has been a fan favorite since its launch in 2018, while the Blizzak 6 is making waves after its 2024 debut, replacing the highly successful Blizzak LM005. Let's see how they stack up against each other across wet, snow, dry, and other key performance categories. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Alpin 6 set as the reference point at 100%. Starting with wet performance, the Bridgestone Blizzak 6 clearly takes the lead. In wet braking, it stops a full 2.6 meters shorter than the Michelin Alpin 6. In wet handling, it also edges out the Alpin 6, completing the wet handling course slightly faster at 76 km per hour compared to 75 km per hour for the Alpin. When it comes to straight-line aquaplaning, the Blizzak 6 performs better too, resisting aquaplaning at 81 km per hour, which is 2.5 km per hour higher. On snow, the competition gets tighter. Both tires are 3-peak mountain snowflake certified. Designed for tough winter conditions, the Blizzak 6 stops just 0.1 meters shorter than the Alpin 6 in snow braking. In terms of snow traction and handling, the Bridgestone also holds a slight edge, delivering a bit more traction and handling speed. Overall, the results are close, but the Blizzak 6 inches ahead. Mileage is a win for the Michelin Alpin 6. Historically known for its longevity, the Alpin 6 outlasts the Blizzak 6 by 12%, covering around 50,500 kilometers compared to 44,300 kilometers for the Bridgestone. If you're looking for long-term durability, the Michelin is the way to go. When it comes to dry performance, the Michelin Alpin 6 takes a slight advantage in braking, stopping 0.1 meters shorter than the Blizzak 6, but the Bridgestone regains ground in dry handling, completing the course at 110.2 kilometers per hour, just a hair faster than the Alpin's 109.2 kilometers per hour. Noise and rolling resistance are areas where the Michelin Alpin 6 stands out. It's 0.9 decibels quieter than the Blizzak 6, offering a more comfortable ride, especially at higher speeds. The Alpin also shows better rolling resistance, which can translate to slightly better fuel efficiency over time. So, which tire is right for you? The Bridgestone Blizzak 6 is the clear winner in wet and snow conditions, but the Michelin Alpin 6 still excels in mileage, noise, and rolling resistance, making it ideal for those who value comfort and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.